Hey there. Have you ever been told that you have a voice that could melt butter? Well, guess what? That voice can earn you some cool dollars right from the comfort of your home in Nigeria. Stick around, I will show you how to kickstart a fun and profitable voiceover side hustle. All right, let's dive in. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Favor Chinazo here again. Today we are exploring the exciting world of voiceovers. Whether you are looking to make some extra cash or to start a new career, voiceover work is a fantastic opportunity that is accessible to anyone with a voice and a passion. So are you ready to turn your voice into a money-making machine? Let's get started. So, what exactly is voiceover work? Simply put, it's when you use your voice to narrate scripts for commercials, audiobooks, animations, and many more. Think of the voices behind your favorite cartoons or those catchy radio ads. That's voiceover artistry in action. Yes. And the best part, the demand for diverse voices, especially Nigerian accent, is on the rise globally. So your unique voice can stand out in this vibrant industry. So before I go into the details, the nitty-gritty of this hustle, let's talk about some inspiring success stories so that it can, ginger you. Okay? Take Mackenzie, for example. The Nigerian skit maker reportedly earning over $300,000 monthly from his YouTube videos. This journey shows the immense potential of leveraging your voice and creativity in the digital space. This is a popular person we know. And that's not just about comedy. We have voiceover artists like Stephanie Nicholas, who has built impressive careers, lending their voices to various projects and gaining recognition in the industry. And they are making money. Now, how can you make a name for yourself? How can you get started? First, you do not need a fancy studio. No, you just need a quiet room, your smartphone, and free editing software like Audacity are good enough to begin. You can even use CapCut because CapCut has a pro feature for voice enhancement and noise cancellation. So as you progress, you might consider investing in a quality microphone to enhance your voice. However, there are very cheap microphones you can get right now between 10 to 20,000 naira. You just take it as an investment. But if you do not have money for that, just go ahead and start with these softwares. Now, practice is key with this side hustle. Yes. So you want to start by reading aloud daily, mimicking different accents and tones, record yourself and listen critically. This would help you develop clarity and versatility in your voice. So you want to do something first. Build your portfolio. You want to create a portfolio. It is very, very essential. You can't skip this part. You want to record a variety of samples showcasing different styles. It could be commercials. It could be narrations, character voices. This demonstrates your range of potentials or your range of voices to potential clients so that they would know that you are, probably jack of all trade or you can work in different fields. If they want commercials, they can call you. If they want narrations, they can call you. If they want character voices or voiceovers, they can call you. So creating a portfolio is very essential. Now you want to go ahead and share your work on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. You can also create a profile on Fiverr or Upwork. Engage with the online community. You can't escape it. You cannot seclude yourself and expect that doors to opportunities will come up. No, you want to engage with online community because that is where the doors to opportunity and collaborations come in. Yes, social media is the big deal right now. Do not feel like social media is nothing. No. TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, all of these platforms are very, very huge places where you can, even Facebook, I skipped Facebook. These are very huge places or platforms that you can take advantage of to get opportunities or collaborations. If you're looking at getting or finding international gigs, you can sign up on online platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, as I mentioned earlier. They are great places to start. So create a compelling profile. If your profile is boring, nobody will be interested in you. No. Upload a sample, upload your samples. That is why I mentioned that you should practice, read out aloud, make voiceovers, like, record your voices and all of that. So upload those samples and start bidding on projects immediately. So I mentioned earlier about social media platforms. Networking is crucial. You want to connect with other voiceover artists, yes, and industry professionals. Try to look for workshops you can attend, look for groups you can join, attend local events, or even join online communities to build relationships and learn about new opportunities. Do not feel like, oh, these are your competitors or these are people that would snatch jobs from you, and so you do not want to associate with them. That's a big, big, big lie. You can learn from them and get to know more about other opportunities in this profession. So do not seclude yourself. Networking is crucial. Now, here are some quick tips to boost your success. Consistency. I want you to keep practicing and improving your skill. Do not do it one day and maybe in the space of 1 month you do not get any gig and you give up. No. Keep practicing and keep improving your skill. Number 2 is professionalism. Meet deadlines and communicate effectively with your clients. Do not be lackadaisical about your jobs, about the gigs, or about whatever project you are giving. Be professional. That is how you build your portfolio, and that is how people will reach out to you more because you are reliable. Okay. Number 3 is adaptability. Be open to feedback and willing to adjust your style as needed. Feedback is what you need to progress. When people give you feedbacks, you'll be able to know where you want to make improvements, where you want to make adjustments, and thereby you grow in the profession. So take note of these 3 steps: consistency, professionalism, and adaptability. You do not want to sleep on this because these are the tips that will boost your success. So remember, persistence pays off. So there you have it, a fun and engaging guide to starting your voiceover side hustle in Nigeria. Your voice is a powerful tool. So with dedication and creativity, it can open up new avenues for income and personal growth. Okay? So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends and family, and do not forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Drop your questions and thoughts in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Until next time, keep on shining and let your voice be heard. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.